Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 4th, 2025, and we're diving into Eastman's third quarter 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Eastman, a global specialty materials company, has just released its Q3 2025 financial results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their cash flow performance to strategic initiatives in a challenging economic environment.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Eastman reported sales revenue of $2.202 billion, which is an 11% decrease from the previous year. John, how did this impact their profitability?
Despite the revenue decline, Eastman managed to achieve an adjusted EBIT of $210 million. However, their adjusted earnings per share came in at $1.40, slightly below the forecasted $1.18 from 6 analysts. This reflects the challenges they faced with lower sales volumes and competitive pressures in certain segments.
What were the main factors contributing to this revenue decline?
The decrease was primarily due to a 10% drop in sales volume and a 1% reduction in selling prices. Weakness in consumer discretionary markets and inventory adjustments played significant roles here.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Eastman has been focusing on operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about their cash flow and cost management strategies?
Absolutely. Eastman generated a strong operating cash flow of $402 million, consistent with last year, thanks to a significant $200 million reduction in inventory. They're on track to reduce their cost structure by over $75 million this year, with further reductions planned for 2026.
And what about their outlook for the rest of the year?
CEO Mark Costa mentioned that they expect a seasonal decline in volume due to ongoing economic challenges. However, they project their full-year adjusted EPS to be between $5.40 and $5.65, indicating confidence in their strategic initiatives and cost management efforts.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the performance of Eastman's segments. How did they fare this quarter?
The Advanced Materials segment saw a 7% revenue decline, primarily due to lower sales volumes in specialty plastics. Additives and functional products experienced a 4% decrease, while fibers faced a significant 24% drop due to inventory destocking and trade disputes.
Despite these challenges, Eastman is making strides in their circular economy platform. Can you elaborate on that?
Yes, they've continued the commercial ramp-up in their circular economy platform, which has shown strong operational performance. This initiative is part of their broader strategy to enhance sustainability and innovation, positioning them well for future growth.
Market reaction and company response. How has the market reacted to Eastman's earnings report, and what has been the company's response?
The market sentiment is cautious given the revenue decline and EPS miss. However, Eastman returned $146 million to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases, demonstrating their commitment to shareholder value.
And what did CEO Mark Costa have to say about these results?
Mark Costa emphasized their focus on cash generation and disciplined capital allocation. He acknowledged the challenging macroeconomic environment, but highlighted their strategic actions to drive earnings growth and prepare for a strong recovery.
Key takeaways. In summary, Eastman faced a challenging quarter with a decline in revenue and a slight miss on EPS expectations. However, their strong cash flow and strategic cost management initiatives are promising for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Eastman's focus on operational efficiencies and their circular economy platform are key strengths. While the current environment is tough, their strategic initiatives position them well for a rebound when conditions improve.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analysis. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Eastman's performance in the comments below.